Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 23rd day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'm going to make a very famous Indian dish called Hara Bhara Kabab. So Hara Bhara Kabab is a very popular vegetarian snack from North India, and it's called Hara Bhara Kabab because of its vibrant green color from spinach and green peas. Today I will be making Hara Bhara Kabab with a twist. I will be using edamame beans instead of green peas, and lots and lots of walnuts crumbs instead of breadcrumbs. Blanch the spinach leaves. To that add 1 cup of edamame beans. Blanch it for no more than 2 minutes. Transfer the blanched veggies to the ice water immediately. This way you shock the vegetables and stop the process of cooking and the color remains intact. I transfer the blanched vegetables into the blending jar. I'm adding 3 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic and 4 small pieces of ginger. Add half a cup of fresh coriander leaves. Add the blended paste. To this add 1 cup of roasted chickpea flour and half a cup of crushed walnuts. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, chili powder as per your tolerance. Make a nice dough like this. Now we'll shallow fry these. Take some cooking oil and take enough to shallow fry the kebabs. And now gently place the kebabs. There you go guys, and the kebabs are perfectly cooked. Now we can get these off the heat. Enjoy the Hara Bhara Kabab guys. Trust me, once you make this, you will definitely make it again and again. It is very, very, very nutritious, filled with nutrient values. My today's 2 cents is to all the youth, especially this generation kids. Firstly, you were born to be real, not to be perfect, because you're here to be you and not to live someone else's life. So imperfection is not supposed to be fixed or hidden, but it is to be celebrated. To banish imperfection is to destroy expression and to paralyze vitality. All I want to say is, guys, embrace your imperfections, your cracks, your flaws, for they are the very things that make you beautifully, uniquely you. So remember that. I would like to close this 2 cents by concluding that one of the basic rules of the universe is nothing is perfect, as perfection simply doesn't exist. And without imperfection, neither you or I would exist. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.